so this thing's together. We're fixing to give it the lard rub down, get everything greased up, and we're going to put the flame to it, put the fire in there, and burn it down for a little while. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this thing and show you what we got going on. So the theory of this thing, of course, your fire's in the bottom. Keep it centered and you keep it small. You do have dampers on top of each stack to keep the fire off of the meat. So you can regulate your fire by keeping it on one side, the other, if you want a hot side, cold side. Most of the time it's just going to be in the middle, but you keep it small. It's a big firebox, but you don't have to make a big fire. That's one thing about the smoke and the heat going up, is you don't have to try to make it go sideways. It takes a smaller fire and it feeds really evenly. On the sides, this is how you regulate your fire. We also got this where you can open this or close it. So you can adjust how easy the door is to open or close by adding or taking out weight from the tube in the back. That's it, she's ready to cook. That's it, my smoker is done. Only thing left to do is chop some wood and get ready to road test this thing this weekend. See how well it cooks. I'm sure it's going to be great. This design is something that I don't see every day. It's based off a design of a smoker that I grew up with as a kid. A smoker that lasted for years and years. This one should last for many, many years. So anyway, we're going to road test it this weekend. See how she turns out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch y'all next time.